Ooh, dude.
What?
This thing is bad.
Yeah, it's gonna take you a few laps to really start to appreciate it.
There
she is.
Beautiful.
Baggers. They used to be all about comfort, convenience, and longer rides. But now it's way more than that. They're like muscle cars. They gotta look great, and they gotta perform. Scraping floorboards, doing burnouts, hell, they're even racing them in Crowning Kings. But when it comes to style and performance, there's no such thing as enough. Even the Chieftain Power Plus. All the style and performance that you'd ever need, but we still want more. Forever Rad's bike is going to country music star Tyler Hubbard. I've known Tyler for a while. He's friends with a few of my buddies. He's been in the motocross his whole life, and I've always been a fan of him. Tyler used to be in Florida Georgia Line, but the past few years he's had a successful solo career. He's been out on the road doing shows, so I headed out to Idaho to meet up with Kyle to deliver him his new customized Indian Chieftain Power Plus.
Woo! What's up, boys?
What's up, Tyler?
What's up, buddy?
Hey, good to meet you in person.
Great to meet you, man. How are you?
Good.
So good to meet you, man. Twitch, what's good, baby?
How you been,
Good
dude?
to see you, bro. I'm good.
You too.
I'm good.
You excited?
I'm so pumped, man. I've been waiting a long time for this.
Big day, big day.
So I'm Tyler Hubbard, and I'm a country music artist, so a touring musician and songwriter. Spent the last decade or so in a duo called Florida Georgia Line, and that was an incredible journey. And in 2022, I stepped out and started doing my own thing. Personally, I've really enjoyed the new challenge, the journey, the build, you know, reconnecting with fans and connecting with new fans. Yeah, a lot to be proud of in my world, and really, really grateful.
We're gonna get you on the newest, latest, and greatest platform, and
Yeah, man.
it's gonna blow your mind.
I can't wait, dude.
Yep.
I can't wait. Add to the collection.
Let's see this thing,
Let's
dude.
rip.
We went into this project with kind of full reign and kind of we're gonna do whatever we wanted to. And as soon as we knew we were gonna build it for Tyler, we got a hold of him, and he's been very receptive on a few of the things that he thought he may like.
You know, Kyle and I, once we connected, it was kind of on. We were just texting almost every day. He was already well into the process. It was fun. He was super open to collaboration and any of my ideas, but at the same time, I kind of told him, I'm like, dude, I trust you. You're the professional. I want to lean into your instinct and what you would be really, really proud of. And so to see his excitement, his joy, and his passion for what he's built, it's gotten me even more excited and more proud to ride it.
Ooh, dude.
What?
This thing is bad.
Yeah, it's gonna take you a few laps to really start to appreciate it.
Incredible. Yeah, the pictures didn't do it justice, bro.
A little bit better in person.
This is insane.
Last time I seen this bike, it was just a motor on the lift. Dude, the color,
And that
the
motor,
colors,
that color is so clean.
every single color you use is sick.
Yeah, nobody's ever seen one like this, huh?
No.
No, it's the only one of its kind. We wanted to highlight using every product that we manufacture or every product that we offer so that people know these things are fully customizable.
Right.
You know, we wanted to really impress you and go all out with all the coatings and all the little details and just make it an all-around perfect blend of performance and style, but something that you can still get on and take road trips.
No doubt.
Whenever you get some downtime and you want to shut down and hit the road, this thing will take you anywhere you want to go.
Thanks, buddy. I'm so impressed. This is so awesome. I was pretty blown away. I mean, just watching it roll out of the garage, and I'm just like, man, this is gorgeous. And trying to take it all in at one time, it was a bit overwhelming, but man, fun to make some laps around it and just kind of take it in every time I'd walk around and be something new. Just the level of excitement, the little things that no one would even know probably unless Kyle told you, and just the level of detail, the level of heart he poured into this bike, it's just pretty unmatched.
I remember looking at the bike, just seeing the motor going, I wonder what he's gonna do with everything around it. Like the frame came out good, all the paint, like all the Cerakoting. He did so many different colors and having the raw aluminum. It's a badass bike. Like I'm stoked to see this thing in person, and it definitely amazed me.
He was absolutely floored, speechless in many ways. I could tell it took him quite a while to really start picking up on it and kind of collecting his thoughts. And when people have that first initial reaction where they think they know what this is going to be, and then you absolutely just melt their mind when they show up, it's the best part of my job. So I always look forward to that, to this day.
I love the color combo you did on this bike.
Thank you.
They all
Me
just
too.
work so good together. And I feel like all the little raw parts just tie it all in too.
Every single part, you know, from the front to the back, even the fenders are carbon fiber on this. So we like to shave as much weight as possible. And all that weight savings really helps make these things go even faster.
Cool.
They'll go faster, they'll stop faster. So the front fender is actually from an Indian FTR.
I didn't even notice the gas tank's been cut too.
Yeah, bro.
That looks sick. From back here, it looks so good, dude.
Nice.
I would say we set this bike up to be tall, aggressive, fast. Basically take a street bike, turn it into a race bike, but keep it comfortable. Every single piece, every nut and bolt, everything's been modified and customized so that you can kind of have the best of both worlds. The biggest probably elephant in the room is the motor being fully coated on it, and then taking the chassis all the way down, smoothing it out, getting rid of all the textures and the casting marks, basically turning it into a mirror, and then Cerakoting the whole thing. Nobody could imagine it was going to turn out as cool as it did. Aside from that, our normal formula, we have killer front suspension with Big Bear cartridges, Big Bear rear shock. We have a ton of parts from Kraus on this bike, the handlebars, the risers, the boards and the pegs. And then from there, our Saddleman seat, it's our signature seat. Of course, we have our Baja LP6 kit on that bike. We designed that early this year for the Chieftain Power Plus. Every other part on the bike is something that we manufacture, so it's a Forever Rad branded product.
This is a one-off. I've never seen this pipe
I was
either.
gonna say, what's that?
That
What's
thing's
that?
bad.
So we talked about the pipe, and we got teamed up with HPI.
Okay.
And they made us this one-off pipe just for this bike with our logo on it. We went with the full-length version on this thing just because it is kind of loud, it's kind of
Right.
rowdy, but when you're cruising and you got the cruise set, all the sounds out the back. But
Nice.
this pipe will also make absolute killer power too.
Cool. Dude, I gotta sit on this thing.
Yeah. it'll feel like you're right at home.
All right, let's check it out. Ooh.
Look at that smile.
Oh man,
That's what it's all about right there.
that is so nice.
Dude, that thing sounds
We ready, baby?
What do you say we go ride this
I
thing?
love it, man. Let's rip. All
Yeah,
I'm ready.
let's go.
Let's do it.
My dad was really into dirt bikes and race motocross, and I started racing motocross at an early age. I think I was honestly 5 or 6, started, traveling the Southeast, and being on a motorcycle was just really part of who I was and really good for me and my soul, and fell in love with riding on the street as well. It kind of had that same carefree, just a good way to kind of escape for a little while. So it's always been a part of my life. I still ride in the dirt. Now I have 3 little kids that I'm getting to teach how to ride as well, so that's pretty nostalgic, and it's just a big part of who I am and a big part of, my family.
The whole process has just been a roller coaster for me because it was a huge undertaking. Just really, really proud and super humbled at the opportunity and just cloud 9. I would say the talents are definitely evident looking through the bike, that it's been a team effort, which is super important to us at the shop. It really takes a lot of dedication and talented people to be able to pull something like that off. It's probably been the most fulfilling project we've ever done because we did it in a short period of time and we just knocked it out of the park.
Man, it just handled incredibly. So I'm super excited just to keep getting more comfortable on it and keep riding up here in these mountains and seeing what she'll do.
Could not be happier with who's gonna own this motorcycle now, because I know he's gonna be using it exactly for the reason that we have done all of this work over the last 5 years building up this platform.
This is a beautiful gift that I will enjoy for years and years. But the fact that nobody has this bike, no one's even seen one like this, it just makes it that much more special, and it's exciting to look at it.